Hello! Good morning, Philippines! Welcome back sa ating YouTube channel! For today's vlog ay pupunta kami ngayon sa Filipino area kasi magsisend kami ng kwarta. Magsisend kami ng pera sa aking family para sa monthly allowance nila. Actually, no need naman kaming mag-send ng monthly allowance nila kasi meron naman silang pera buwan-buwan galing sa aking papa. Galing sa Dubai. Kasi ang papa ko nasa Dubai tapos nag-send yan kada buwan ng monthly allowance nila. Kaya no need na talaga kaming mag-send ng monthly allowance nila. Pero kami nito, gusto lang talaga namin mag-send. Para pangdagdag ba? Gusto lang talaga namin matulungin at generous kasi tong asawa ko eh. Si Mr. kasi sobrang generous. Mapagbigay sa pamilya ko. Kadako ni atong earrings Susuotin or not? Hindi na lang natin suotin mag-pearl na lang tayo. Ang laki nito. Super laki niya. Ayan. Mag-pearl na lang tayo na earring. By the way, style pala to siya ha. Style to siya ng sanina ko. Hindi yan bali ha. Baka sabihin nyo bali ang sanina ko. Mag-send kami ng allowance. Mag-send din ako ng pera sa aking bunso na kapatid kasi with honor siya sa klase, may award siya ba? Sabi ko kasi sa kanya nung nandun pa ako sa Pilipinas, pagbutihan mo mag-aral, kung with honor ka or may award ka, bigyan kita ng 1K. 1K kada isang award. Kaya pinagbutihan niya. So ayun, meron siyang 1K ngayon. First grading nila ngayon. Tapos nag-recognition na sila na with honor talaga siya. And I'm so proud of him. Na with honor yan siya. Simula nung sinabihan ko na bigyan kita ng pera kapag ma-honor ka or may award ka sa eskwelahan. Kaya ayun, pinagbutihan. Nagiging na siya. With honor palagi sa kanilang school. Ano pa ang ating susuotin? Magsuot din tayo nito para magamit to natin. Itong ating mga bracelet dito. Ayan. Isa lang ating suotin. Para naman tayong maligya nito ng bracelet. Parang parang madam. Isa or dalawa. Para tayong madam da. Ayan, di ko gusto ng madaming churbaik-ik sa aking katawan. Let's go! Magdala din tayo ng shade. Kaya mainit sa labas. Mainit ang sikat ng araw ba. Mag-shade din tayo para magamit naman itong mga shade natin. Let's go! Samahan niyo kami sa aming paglalakbay. Let's go, my love!
I'm ready, my love.
Ha?
Busy.
Okay. Maghintay muna tayo ni Batom kasi na-busy siya kadiyot. Only for how many hours? How many minutes? Okay. Maghintay tayo shortly ni Batom kay meron siyang ginagawa. Bye-bye, my baby! Outfit check di ay! Nakalimutan ko mag-outfit check di ay tayo. Outfit check! Outfit check! Magdala din tayo ng Magdala din tayo ng bag para kumpleto ba ang ating ganap. Para kumpleto ang ating mga berlolay. Magbagbag din tayo. Ito ang ating dadalhin na bag para same sa kulay ng aking sanina ba. Same sa kulay ng aking damit. Magchinilas lang tayo kasi doon lang naman tayo papunta sa Filipino area. Bye-bye! Kiss! Very good! Bye, my baby! Nagdala-dala ako ng bag ng walang laman. Ang ilalagay ko dito ang aming ang bugno ko lang ngayon. Ang ilagay ko dito ang aking cellphone lang at ang aking tripod. Walang laman na bag. Papunta na kami dito sa Bank of America kasi mag-withdraw kami muna ng pera. Bank of America. I'm not showing the street.
It's there.
I'm not showing the street.
It's there on the right.
Yeah, I know.
You have to delete that.
Yeah, I didn't show it. Only the name of Bank of America.
Yeah, I'm just saying there's a.
I know, my love. Nabalaka siya mga day. Hindi ko daw ipapakita ang street dito. Kasi baka may masasamang loob ba. Ayan, ako ang pa-withdraw niya kasi para matuto daw ako. I will put it in.
Okay.
Ako ang pina-withdraw niya para matuto daw ako. And
Enter. Just push enter.
tapos na kaming mag-withdraw. Punta na kami sa money transfer. See you later. What, my love? What?
No, I said that those pants are very good. I remember those on Facebook.
Yeah. We
Before I
haven't.
met you, I saw a picture of you on Facebook with those.
Yeah.
So
Google kasi hindi ako nagbigay ng Facebook ko ba. Tapos, i-search niya ako sa Google. Lumabas ang pangalan ko doon sa Facebook. And then, chinek niya ang mga profile picture ko. Tapos, ito yung sinusuot ko na pants nung nasa profile picture ko na nagustuhan niya ng sobra daw, na super chicks daw ako tingnan. Na-remember niya ngayon na sinusuot ko ngayon nung sinuot ko sa profile picture ko dyan sa Facebook. Sobrang nagustuhan daw niya ang suot ko ngayon kasi na-remember niya, na-reminisce niya ba yung before pa kami nag-meet sa personal. Yan yung time na sobrang nagkagusto talaga daw siya sa akin kasi dahil sa body figure ko ba, sexy daw. Thank you! Picture ko na yun is COVID-19 kasi yun, kaya nagmamas pa ako that time. Ano yun that time? Sinulog Festival. Tapos may mask ako that time. Tapos ito yung suot ko na pants. Yun daw yung sobrang nagustuhan niya sa picture ko kasi maganda daw ang katawan ko doon. Na-remember lang niya ang before kami nag-meet sa personal. Na-reminisce niya kasi suot ko ngayon ang aking pants. Yan lang, share ko lang. Love you.
Love you.
Papunta na kami sa Filipino area. See you later. Dito na kami. Nandito na kami mga baduday. Ayan. RCB.
Where's the rate?
58, right?
Where's the rate?
58.92.
What?
58.92.
58.92 to RCBC?
Yeah. Bank to bank.
Oh, bank to bank.
Yeah.
How much?
So, yeah.
How much?
618.
618.
Philippines.
What?
Wala. Maybe doon sa other. Okay.
You found it.
Yeah. Thank you.
3, 4.
618.
618.
60. Yeah.
618. Plus the fee of how much?
This one? $8.
$8. So 18 plus 8. I'll just get change.
626. Nagsin na kami.
Take a picture of it. So
Yeah.
I don't need to do it later.
Okay. I'll take a picture later.
Is everything correct?
Yeah.
Where's the RCBC?
There. At the bottom.
Oh, is that the right number?
Yeah. Thank you. Ria money transfer.
Make sure that that's the right number. That that's not your account number. That's your mom's, right?
Yeah. That's
sure?
correct. Yeah, that's correct. Thank
What's her
you.
middle? Oh,
Thank you.
thank you.
Yeah.
Correct.
Yeah. Yeah, it's all correct.
Thank you.
Thank you. See you next time. Thank you, my love. Go home.
You don't need anything?
No.
I don't really need anything.
We don't need anything food. Yeah, we still have a lot of food. Here's my dad's favorite.
Well, I used
Ayun
to
mga
like
day.
it too, but this
Sabi
stuff
nito, my dad's favorite daw.
this is very strong.
Ang
Man.
red horse.
You can get really drunk on that.
Yeah.
Very scary to drink that.
Scary? No.
No,
My
because
dad used to drink that.
that's very. If you start drinking too much, you lose your mind on that. I already
Yeah.
tried it. It's very dangerous.
Yeah, that's what it is in the
This is malt
Philippines.
liquor. I already am
Sabi
experienced.
nito,
I already
sobrang-
know everything about it. but
Sobrang grabe daw ang epekto ng
that- you can
red
lose
horse.
your mind quickly.
Yeah, very strong daw ang red horse sa Philippines. So, bibili lang kami ng gulay dito sa Seafood City. Huh?
Look, here's your thing here.
Yeah, pandesal.
One, Pasopia.
Yeah, hopia and pandesal.
This one's more expensive.
Yeah. Here's the hopia. Hopia, mga day. Pupunta kami sa veggie areas. Veggies area. Pomelo. This one, I will get this for my pinakbet. Kuha tayo ng talong kasi magpinakbet ako. Here's the bitter melon, my love. I forgot this to get like this last time.
Let this go.
I will get this.
I had to throw it out last time.
I will get this. What last time? We didn't get this last time.
I don't know. I bought it and it didn't last.
No.
They
Oh,
rot.
that's you, but me,
Chili
it's
leaves,
me.
yam leaves, chili leaves, bitter melon leaves, ong choy.
Yeah, let's go. I'll get bok choy. Baby bok choy. A strawberry, my love. We don't have strawberry already.
Yeah, but this is expensive here. I don't
Yeah, it's expensive here.
Yeah.
Better in
I
Winco.
don't know
Ang
about
mahal
this.
dito
You
sa
want
Filipino area. Ang mahal sa Seafood City kasi mga Filipino food ba. Mas barato
Let's get
doon
some
sa
stuff we
Winco.
need. This is good, right? But you want
Yeah.
this? A
One.
little bit small.
Yeah, just get small one. Ang lamig. I feel cold. Wala. Yeah, I know. I'm just taking you a name.
Okay, here. Okay,
Hello?
go get your thing and we'll leave now.
Bak choy, bili lang kami ng maliit na vegetable lang.
You want this? The kocha?
Yeah.
Get a whole
Kalabasa.
one.
I need that. Kalabasa. For my pinakbet. Kuha tayo ng kalabasa kasi kailangan
You
na.
can get a whole one cheaper. You want a whole one or
No.
just half?
No, just half. Kuha ako ng kalabasa kasi
Where's the bok choy?
magpinakbit ako. Tapos kuha din kami ng bok choy. Days or days, baby.
Either one you pick it. This is cheaper.
Yeah. I just get baby bok choy. Ayan. And okra too, my love. I have to get okra.
Okay.
Ayan ang okra nila mga day. Ang liliit ng okra nila.
Do we need this, ginsa?
Ginisa mix, yeah. Thank you.
And
Ang
the eggs
lamig.
here is too expensive. I'm gonna buy it.
Yeah, we'll just buy in Winco.
There's the whole tomato. It's cheaper. Buy a whole one. It's cheaper.
Mm,
Huh?
okay.
Well, you pay if it's cut in half. It,
Yeah.
per pound is $1.98.
No need. That's
This
too
is
big.
on sale. It's
I
only
just get half. This one is enough.
No, but look at the price. You're paying $2 a pound. This is only $1 a pound. You
Okay,
get
it's up to
twice
you.
as much.
It's up to you. Ang sinop talaga nito. Grabe talaga. Yan, pakukuhain tayo ng whole nga kalabasa mga day. Kasi mas mahal daw yung half. Ang masinop talaga nito ang asawa ko.
Bangus. You want bangus?
Yeah,
Okay.
we don't have bangus.
Apple flavored beer. Where's the Chinese sausage?
Yeah, we don't need it.
You want fresh bangus?
Yeah, fresh.
Look, here's the Filipino tender one. These are all Filipino alcohol.
Mm.
Your
Here's
dad
the
will
one.
like this
Here's
with
the
bread.
popular one. Emperador. Ayan, ang bangus dito. Kuha kami ng bangus mga day.
They're good. The one I'm telling you, that's long.
Yeah. We're looking for a small one. Filipino bangus. This one.
Yeah, but
This
this,
is not-
this is big. The other one's cheaper.
Yeah.
Let's get the other one.
Okay. Let's get the other one din mga day. Kasi mas barato. Mas barato ang isa. Ito ang kukunin namin kasi mas barato ito.
I
Here.
don't know where it's from though.
Hey, my love. Open.
I don't know where it's from. But this is Filipino.
Ayan mga day, kapag pipili tayo ng isda, dapat piliin natin ang puti ang mata. Kasi kapag pula ang mata, hindi yan fresh. Dapat piliin natin ang clear ang mata ba? Yeah, only one.
Okay.
That's good enough. Yeah.
I want to check the other one for a second.
Okay. Tingnan nyo
This is
ang Seafood City. Moonfish. Bilong-bilong.
Well, it's different than the other one. They have different.
Just Filipino one. I will get shrimp too. What did I know? Shrimp.
Taiwan. Does it matter?
That's from Taiwan.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll just get the Filipino.
Okay, get that
The
one.
big one.
Okay.
Kuha kami nito. Galing sa Pangasinan ito nga bangus. Mas masarap ito kaysa galing sa Taiwan. Giuli ni Tom ang isang bangus. Galing kasi yan sa Taiwan. Kaya pala barato. Kaya pala mura. Here's the shrimp, my love. Ito ang aming kunin. That's why it's cheaper. The other one because it's from Taiwan.
Yeah, I guess.
This one from Pangasinan.
Get that one.
This one
There.
because the eye is clear. It is fresh if it's the eye is clear. Galing sa Pangasinan, Philippines nga bangus. Imbisa namin dito sa cleaning section mga day, service station, cleaning and frying. Pwede silang mag-fry dito ng mga isda mga day. Palinisan namin dito ang aming kinuhang isda.
Where is this one's already got marked, huh?
Yeah,
Who did it?
it's in there. It's ready.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Keep the head, right?
Keep the head. Just
keep the
organ.
head. Just remove the organ.
No. Now we have to wait. Lilinisin muna nila yung isda namin. Nagpalinis kami. Free linis kasi dito. Tapos free. Kung gusto mo
How about
magpaprito,
sukiyaki?
free.
How about sukiyaki sauce? You
Sa
want?
tuyo. Kung gusto mo magpaprito ng isda, pwede din sila dito. Would you get?
Look for the rest of it. How about the sausage? Longanisa.
No. I got the shrimp here. That's why it's ready.
Okay, you want this?
Huh?
Marinated chicken barbecue.
I don't want.
It might be old.
Yeah. It's not fresh.
Can I have
Beef top.
one of those? How much is one? Wait. My love is on sale.
Bumili kami ng beef top kasi
You want
sale. Gusto nito kasi sale sila. Sale ang beef nila. It's up to you. You want pork belly?
Yeah. I don't know about slicing it. How do we?
They slice it.
I don't know if they. Do you slice the pork belly? Yeah. How thick do you do it? Can we do like thinner?
Like barbecue.
Quarter?
Yeah, for
Just
barbecue.
thinner, like about a quarter to 3/8 thin as you can.
Okay,
For the
thank you.
just,
Pork belly.
Just like
Yeah. Thank you. Ribs. You want?
you want. Oh no, do you want with rib or no?
Yeah. Yeah, it's okay.
You want rib?
Yeah. Kuha kami ng egg roll at
Good,
hopya.
there, over there.
Yeah. Because namimiss ko ang egg roll sa Philippines. Philippine egg roll. And hopya too. Let's get pamana. Where?
That one.
Where's the pork and
Shanghai.
shrimp? Ang Paris?
Yeah.
Pamana. Is this pamana? Lumpia, Shanghai, mga dry pork and shrimp. Pork and shrimp ang aming kinuha.
Unless you want that one, Bihan. I don't know
Bayanihan?
which one is better.
No, this one is better. I don't
We'll
know.
try this one if you
Yeah.
want. Okay.
How many pieces is this? 20
20.
pieces only. This one is 60. Hello po. Nagbablog po ako. May kababayan po tayo dito. Pili ko ng bangus. Bangus. Subscriber. Salamat po. Smile siya ba? Tapos bantayan ko na. Naririnig pala niya ang mga sinasabi ko. 5:20. 20. Ay, tapos na. Salamat po. Wait. My love. Our fish is done. Oh.
Shout out
Shout out
lahat
sa...
ng mga tiga sa Pilipinas ba yan dito?
Taga saan ka po? Sa...
Tiga Quezon City.
Thank you.
Salamat.
Salamat po.
So, oh, tilapia or is it Taiwan?
Yan from Taiwan.
Taiwan, okay.
Okay.
We don't have it done for sale.
Yeah.
Get your stuff.
Ang dami talagang mga Pinoy dito kasi Filipino area kasi ito. Ang sarap pumunta dito kasi madaming mga Pinoy ba, madami kang makahalubilo ba. Ang sarap sa pakiramdam ng makakita ng mga Filipino.
Chicharron.
Yeah, chicharon. May hopya, my love. Don't forget. I want the spicy one. We'll just get in Minko.
I don't see any spicy one here.
Yeah, there's no spicy. Okay.
Where they are.
Kukuha kami ng hopya. My hopya, my favorite hopya. I want the munggo, my love. Mang bean here. This one, I'll just get this soft cake. Pa-cashier na kami. Ayan, magbabayad na kami. Ito na kami, magbabayad na. Thank you, my love.
You're the
What?
best.
Okay, thank you. Love you.
Love you.
Mga day,
You're so good, my love.
Really? Thank you. You're so good. So, kunti lang ang aming pinamili na mga Filipino food. Ang mga cravings lang ang aming pinamili kasi meron pa naman kaming maraming pagkain sa aming ref ngayon. Usually, hindi talaga kami dito bili sa Filipino area kasi mostly doon kami sa Winco Foods kasi mas makasave kami doon ba nga grocery store kasi mas barato. Mas mura doon sa Winco Foods rather than dito sa Filipino area, sa Seafood City. Kasi mga Filipino kasi ang mga food, obviously. Kasi,
Filipino store has much better fish. They have the best fish you can buy around in Southern California. That's the best store to buy fish.
I
Every
know.
store is different.
I know, I'm saying here in my vlog, we mostly only do grocery in Winco, not here. We are just buying here for my,
Filipino things.
Filipino things only. At ang nabayad pala namin ay $74 lahat kasi kaunti lang naman ang pinamili namin. Importante lang.
Pangasinan milkfish grown in Pangasinan. We can buy it here.
Yeah.
We even have the tag. It says Pangasinan on it.
Yeah.
The other one is cheaper, but it comes from Taiwan. We wanted to get the Filipino grown in the Philippines. Each fish, they'll tell you what country and if it's farmed or wild or what.
Yeah.
They tell you that
Yeah.
here in the U.S.
Tapos na din kaming nagpadala ng pera sa Pilipinas. Bumili lang kami ng kaunting pagkain para sa aking cravings. See you mamaya sa aming bahay. Ito na kami sa bahay. I'll hold it. Dito na kami. Nandito na kami sa bahay, mga baduday. Kanina pa to nanggigigas itong sa akin. Palaging nagsasabing, ooh, sexy. Magpalit muna ako ng damit kasi mag-shoutout na naman tayo sa ating vlog. Sa ating mga subscribers. Marami pa tayong ibang shoutout dito. Meron na naman tayong mga sasaguting, mga tanong galing sa ating mga solid supporters dito. Galing to kay Ma'am Santry5762. Shout out po kay Ma'am Santry5762. I am new today. I like your story. Ano dati work ni Mr. Bait niya sa iyong family. Iba puti. Ganyan ayaw mag-work wife. Asikasuhin lang siya from NW USA. Wow. Shout out po kay Ma'am Santry5762. Ingat po kayo dyan sa NW USA, madam. And ang work pala nitong dati is construction inspector, senior, and then ngayon is retired na siya ngayon kasi gusto lang niyang mag-retired. 50 years old pa siya, nag-retired na yan siya kasi gusto niyang magpahinga kasi okay naman na ang iyang savings. Meron naman na siyang mga investment sa kinabuhi. Salamat po sa tanong niyo, Ma'am Santry5762. Kasagaran ng mga tanong is pare-pareho lang. Anong trabaho ni Tom? Ito galing kay Ma'am Nanette Despabeladeras. Shoutout po kay Ma'am Nanette Despabeladeras. Inday, anong trabaho ni Tom? Nakakatuwa kayo panoorin si Tom. Ang bait niya. Wow, salamat naman po. Salamat sa pag-appreciate ni Tom. Ang trabaho niya, ayun, construction inspector, senior. Inspect siya sa mga i-construct nga road dito sa USA, mga bridge, mga road, mga expressway, mga highway, mga ano pa yan. Like pareha sa atin, yung CCLX, mga ganyan. Inspect siya after sa pag-build sa building, after sa pag-build sa mga road. Basta mostly ang kanyang trabaho is sa mga bridge dito sa US. And gobyerno ang nagpapasweldo sa kanya, kaya malaki-laki. Hindi lang naman ang trabaho niya, ang pinagkukunan niya ng income, meron pa yung ibang income, madami. And the next, shoutout kay Ma'am Jocelyn po, 2495. Shoutout po sa iyo, Ma'am Jocelyn po, 2495. Hello, Inday. Unsay work sa Mubana, Inday? Same lang silang tatlo ng tanong. Bakit ba? Ang curious nyo naman ba? Construction inspector senior po si Tom. Kaya ang seryoso na tao po yan. Kaya ang seryoso niyan, hindi yan ma-joke-joke ko. Kasi sobrang seryoso sa kinabuhi. Mas better na yan ngayon na nawala-wala na ang kanya pagkaseryoso mga day. Kasi pinagsasabihan ko yan na huwag ka naman maging sobrang seryoso kasi pagkakamalan kang maldito ba. Kasi yung cousin ko nagsabi before na nahadlok daw siya ni Tom, natakot daw siya ni Tom nung first kita niya kay Tom kasi sobrang seryoso daw. Pinagsasabihan ko yan si Tom na wag sobrang maging seryoso kasi mapagkamalang maldito or suplado ba. Mag-shoutout na tayo. Kasi madami-dami pa ba itong shoutout natin. Pag November 14 pa itong mga shoutoutunin natin. Shoutout kay Ma'am Netzel Salvacion 9702 from Balamban, Cebu. Shoutout kay Ma'am Cecil Solog 7332. Shoutout kay Ma'am Lucia Labrador 8893. Shoutout kay Ma'am Efren Gonzalvo VD1JIL. Shoutout kay Ma'am Belenarella 3505. Shoutout kay Ma'am Randy MC 8103. Shoutout kay Ma'am Maizela Wodinak. Shoutout kay Ma'am Jasmine and in Florida, USA. Shoutout kay Ma'am Dailado. Shoutout kay Ma'am Mary Ann Varias 4349. Shoutout kay Ma'am Halukay. Shoutout kay Ma'am Nool Nelia 2361. Shoutout kay Joy Panduma. Shoutout kay Angulo Jennifer. Shoutout kay Armando Razon 316. Shoutout kay Elvira Songalia. Shoutout kay Lolet Cadiente 4289 from Quezon City, Philippines. Shoutout kay Haide Dalagit Vlogs. Shoutout kay Carolina Joven D5R. Shoutout kay Maria Perez TF3PG. Maria Gigi Perez from Rome, Italy. Ingat po kayo dyan sa Rome, Italy, ma'am. Shoutout kay Dasipat from Pennsylvania, USA. Wow! Ingat po kayo dyan sa Pennsylvania, USA. That's all. That's it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell para updated ka sa new videos na i-upload ko. Bye!